Do you remember playing Pokémon on Nintendo 64 console? It's amazing, right? Hi, our team is building Numeron, an on-chain world built with Dolby Engine on Sui Network incorporate ElizaOS for creating genuine, intelligent, and interesting NPC system. Let's get started. This is the architecture of Numeron. First, let's look into the ElizaOS. Before starting the Eliza agent runtime, we have to define the character system by listing a Numeron JSON file which have characteristic and the action the NPC can do inside of this file. And next, we also enable the Sui plugin to have the ElizaOS query the on-chain data of Sui. And next, we have to start the client server to have it interact through the browser. So as you can see, this is the Eliza AI agent config for Numeron, which use Google's Gemini model and also have Sui as its plugin and with some background knowledge to fine-tune this AI agent. Let's start the AI agent runtime. And once it's been started, we can open another terminal and start a HTTP server as client. Okay, now it's all set for ElizaOS side. Next, let's dive into Dolby Engine and see how it helps the Numeron project to seamlessly build the D app and its corresponding move storage contracts, all of the things you have to use in the development, including front-end, local node, and deployment process. First, let's look into the schema. So you have to define the data structure of your move applications inside of the schema, and it looks like this. So it's really structured, and you can, like, for example, define the monster type. There's eagle, rats, and caterpillars, and also the events. In this example, the catch attempt is itself an event. And also other schemas to give a much more higher level storage map for the thing you just defined. Next, let's back to the Dolby SDK. You can use it to start the local development environment, including local node, deployment process, and also use it to interact with the front-end template. In this case, it's Nest.js to interact with your D app through the browser. And in Numeron, the front-end will directly interact with the HTTP server of ElizaOS client to get the support of AI agent. Okay, let's back to the code. The user can create its own map using the object in the storage contract, which is auto-generated by Dolby CLI according to the data structure that just defined in your schema. As you can see, O means the path that users can go to, and T means the grass that will encounter some monster if you walk through it. And we also define some logic for encounter the monster or not. Now, we're going to start the local development environment using Dolby SDK. First, we're going to start a local node. Once it's done, we'll do Dolby run dev to start the local deployer account and then deploy the contracts of the D app onto it. And then we'll also start the indexer service to ensure that the contract info is seamlessly synced and aligned with the front end. Awesome, let's look at the result in the front end. So the user is registered and init in this map, which is just defined by us. So anyone can create their own map and enlarge it to a much more bigger one. So when we walk into the grass, we will encounter some monster. As you can see here, we can choose to run away or just throw a ball to catch it. And we go to another one, same thing. Okay, we choose to catch both of this monster. Okay, so once we've done it, we can go to the NPC. In this thing, the NPC is actually the Eliza AI agent we just created, and we can interact with it instantly, and the AI agent runtime will interact with us in real time. As you can see in the terminal, the AI agent receives the query from the user, generate the response, and update its memory immediately. Moreover, since we enable Eliza's Sui plugin, the AI agent can understand the questions related to Sui. Isn't it amazing? With Dolby Engine, we can build Numeron world and interact with it seamlessly, as you can see right here. And everyone can build its Numeron world with customized Eliza AI agent embedded into it. So we build a Numeron world in this demo. However, Alice, Bob, and everyone can build and deploy their own Numeron world inside of Sui Network and shaping the Numeron universe in decentralized manner. It is the vision that we see, and it is the future for a fully on-chain game. Thank you for listening. We are Team Numeron.